हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप हमारे वीडियोस रोज़ देख रहे हैं, आपको वो काफ़ी पसंद भी आ रहे हैं और आपको वो बहुत हेल्पफुल भी लग रहे हैं। इसीलिए हम आपके लिए वीकली रिवीजन भी लेके आए हैं, जिसके अंदर आज हम 1 मई टू 7 मई का वीकली रिवीजन करेंगे, जिसमें आप बहुत क्विकली और बहुत शॉर्ट वे में अपने सारे क्वेश्चंस का रिवीजन कर सकते हैं। स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which Foundation Day of Maharashtra and Gujarat celebrated on 1st of May? The correct answer is 66th Foundation Day. Next question. Who has won the IBSF World Billiards Championship 2026 title held in Carlo, Ireland? The correct answer is Saurav Kothari. Next, 10th session of India-Kenya Joint Trade Committee held in. The correct answer is Nairobi, Kenya. Next question. Who has become India's first transgender cricket umpire? Correct answer is R. Ritika Sri. Next question. Which portal is launched by EPFO who track and link old EPF account with UAN, Universal Account Number? Correct answer is ePrakti. Next question. First Basmati and organic demo farm being established in. Correct answer is Pilibhit, UP. Next question. Which edition of multilateral military exercise Pragati hosted by Indian Army in Umroi, Meghalaya? The correct answer is first edition. Next question. When is International Labour Day 2026 celebrated? Correct answer is 1st May. Next question. What is the full form of DRD? The correct answer is Defense Research Development Organization. Next question. APEDA, Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development, comes under which ministry? The correct answer is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Next question. Which country joined India-led initiatives? International Solar Alliance, Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure and Global Biofuel Alliance. The correct answer is Jordan. Next question. Which two Marathi films have been selected for the Cannes International Film Festival 2026? The correct answer is Jeev and April May 99. Who has been appointed as the director for 57th International Film Festival of India? The correct answer is Ashutosh Gowarikar. Next question. Who has been appointed as the president of NCTL, National Company Law Tribunal? So, the correct answer is Anupinder Prewal. Next question. China launches which Pakistani satellite? The correct answer is PRSC-EO3. I repeat, PRSC-EO3. चलिए, next question. According to Niti Aayog report, which payment platform has been recognized by IMF as the world's largest real payment system by transaction volume? So, the correct answer is UPI. Next question. Why the Tuna Day celebrated on which day? The correct answer is 2nd of May. Next question. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari launches India's first multi-lane free-flow barrier-less tolling system in. Gujarat. The correct answer is Gujarat. Next question. Who became the brand ambassador for F1 program in India? Correct answer is Shreyash Iyer. Next question. How much percent of rupees 2000 notes returned till April 2026? So, the correct answer is 98.4%. Next question. Ipa Puhu Banduga festival is celebrated on which state? So, this festival is celebrated in Telangana. The correct answer is Telangana. Next question. Oxford and Serum partners for new malaria vaccine. The name of the vaccine is R786. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new vice chairman of Infosys? The correct answer is Nitin Paranjpe. चंडी हम आज कुछ important statics based on today's CA पढ़ लेते हैं. Nitin Gadkari sir for which ministry? The correct answer is Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Next question. What is the full form of UPI? The correct answer is Unified Payment Interface. Which is the longest highway of India? So, the correct answer is NH44. What is India ranked globally in total renewable energy installed capacity? The correct answer is CLI. Which bank launched first digital locker focused branch in New Delhi? The correct answer is Axis Bank. Next question. India rank on which position out of 180 countries in World Press Freedom Index launched by Reporters Without Borders? Correct answer is 157. Next question. According to the Asian University Ranking 2026, IISC Bangalore rank is, the correct answer is 25th rank. Next question. Who won Uber Cup 2026 in women's team badminton by defeating China? Correct answer is South Korea. Next question. Who won 13th Thomas Cup 2026 in men's team badminton by defeating France? Correct answer is China. Next question. Which Ukraine tennis player won Madrid Open 2026 in women's single title? Correct answer is Marta Kostyuk. Next question. Who has been appointed as RBI Deputy Governor for 3 years? Correct answer is Rohit Jain. Next question. Rohit Jain succeeded whom as RBI Deputy Governor? Correct answer is T. Ravi Shankar. Next question. Sinbax is military exercise between India and which countries? Correct answer is Cambodia. Where will exercise Sinbax be held? Correct answer is Cambodia. Next question. World Press Freedom Day is observed every year on. Correct answer is 3rd May. Next question. What is the theme of World Press Freedom Day 2026? Correct answer is Shaping a Future of Peace. Next question. According to PAI 2.0 report, how many panchayats are in the front runners grade 1 category? Correct answer is 3635. Next question. What does PAI stand for in PAI 2.0? Correct answer is Panchayat Advancement Index. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited? Correct answer is Ravi K. Next question. Who did Ravi K replaces as chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited? Correct answer is B.K. Sunit. India's first paperless judiciary initiative is a part of which mission? The correct answer is both A and B. Digital Indian Mission and E-Courts Mission Mode Project. Next question. India's first state-led Center of Excellence for Space Technology was launched. Correct answer is Bengaluru, Karnataka. Next question. North Tech Symposium 2026 was organized in which city? Correct answer is Prayagraj. Next question. Who inaugurated the North Tech Symposium 2026? Correct answer is Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Next question. Asian Development Bank announced an investment plan of how much for Asia Pacific region? Correct answer is 70 billion. Next question. Who is the current chairman of Asian Development Bank? Correct answer is Masato Kanda. Next question. Which district has been declared as India's first Paul farming cluster? Correct answer is Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Next question. What is the budget allocated for developing Hazaribagh Paul farming cluster? Correct answer is 22 crore. Next question. The Coastal Atmospheric Research Test Bed is located in Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. Next question. The Coastal Atmospheric Research Test Bed is developed by. The correct answer is Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. Next question. What is the investment for the Coastal Atmospheric Research Test Bed at Visakhapatnam? The correct answer is 180 CR. Next question. How much amount did National Assets Reconstruction Company Limited recover in financial year 2025 and 26? The correct answer is 4,364 CR. Next question. Which persons were appointed as full-time members of Niti Aayog? The correct answer is R. Balasubramaniam and Joram Anya. Next question. Joram Anya holds which distinction related to Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is both A and B. Which two companies partnered to build India's first orbital data center satellite? Correct answer is Pixel and Sarvam AI. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Vodafone India? The correct answer is Kumar Mangalam Birla. Next question. UNGA President Annalena Baerbock visited which country for official engagement? The correct answer is India. Next question. Which company handed over the first electric freight locomotive to Indian Railways? The correct answer is Siemens. Next question. What is the total value of Siemens electric locomotive contract with Indian Railways? Correct answer is 3 billion euro. Next question. In which year was the Euro 3 billion contract signed between Siemens and Indian Railways? The correct answer is 2023. Next question. South Coast Railway Zone, which will begin operation in 2026, is India's which number of railway zone with headquarters at? So, the correct answer is 18th and Visakhapatnam. Next question. What is the budget allocated and land area for South Coast Railway Zone headquarter? Correct answer is 184 CR and 52.2 acres. Next question. Which union territory established a Guinness World Record for deploying the largest underwater national flag? Correct answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next question. Anand RK and Suparna won the Pulitzer Prize in which category? Correct answer is Illustrated Reporting and Commentary. Next question. Defense Minister signed a 1476 crore deal with BAL for which purpose? Correct answer is Indigenous Army System. Next question. Which company awarded L&T the contract to develop a coal to ammonium nitrate project in Orissa? So, the correct answer is Bharat Coal Gasification and Chemical Limited. Next question. Where has India's first portable bedside MRI system for ICU patients been deployed? Correct answer is AIMS Delhi. The cabinet approved two new semiconductor units worth rupees 3,936 crore under India Semiconductor Mission. What are the names of these two units and where are they located? So the correct answer is Crystal Matrix in Dhulera, Gujarat and Suchi Semicon in Surat, Gujarat. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Prasar Bharati replacing Navneet Kumar Sehgal? Correct answer is Prasoon Joshi, who inaugurated the DRDO CBRN Center at Burari Plains. The correct answer is Dr. Samir V. Kamath. Next question. DRDO's new CBRN Field Training and Demonstration Center was inaugurated at which location? The correct answer is Burari Plains, New Delhi. Next question. What is S&P Global's GDP growth forecast for India for financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is 6.6%. Next question. The 22nd Commonwealth Table Tennis Championship will be held in which city? The correct answer is New Delhi. Next question. Which railway zone recorded its best ever performance in TRD assets during 2025-26? Correct answer is Southern Railway Zone. Next question. What is the theme for World Athletes Day? Correct answer is sports, building bridges, breaking barriers. Next question. Which state government launched the Kadapa Startup Initiative? Correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. The Brain Computer Interface Conference held in New Delhi was inaugurated by which of the following? Correct answer is General Anil Chauhan. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Central Board of Film Certification? Correct answer is Shashi Shankar Vempati. Next question. The cabinet has approved increasing the sanction strength of Supreme Court judges from how many to how many? Correct answer is 33 to 37. Next question. The Cabinet Committee of Economic Affairs chaired by PM Modi approved a rupees 1517 crore ship repair facility at Vadina, Gujarat. Which two entities will jointly implement this project? Correct answer is Deen Dayal Port and Cochin Shipyard Limited. Next question. What is the official theme of the first International Big Cat Alliance Summit? Correct answer is Save Big Cats, Save Humanity, Save Eco.